Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Facebook lead ads with HubSpot using Zapier. This is the full 2026 guide, and yeah, no coding needed. If you want your Facebook leads to go straight into HubSpot automatically, this setup will save you a ton of time. So let's jump right in. Before we connect anything, just make sure a few things are ready. You'll need access to your Facebook business account, a published lead form, an active HubSpot account, and a Zapier account. If you already have those, cool, you're good to go. All right, now head over to Zapier and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Create to start a new Zap. This Zap is what connects Facebook and HubSpot together, kind of like a bridge, you know. For the Trigger app, search for Facebook lead ads and select it. Choose the trigger event called New Lead. This means every time someone submits your Facebook form, Zapier will catch it. Now connect your Facebook account to Zapier, log in, approve the permissions, and select the correct Facebook page and lead form. Take a second here, make sure the right form is selected, otherwise the data won't match. Next, for the Action app, search for HubSpot and select it. Choose the action Create or Update Contact. This way, new leads get added automatically, and existing contacts get updated instead of duplicated. Here's the important part. Mapping fields. Match the Facebook lead data like email, first name, and phone number to the correct HubSpot fields. Take your time here. Good mapping means clean data inside HubSpot. Once everything looks good, run a test. If the test passes, turn the Zap on. From now on, every new Facebook lead will appear in HubSpot automatically. Yeah, that's it. And that's how you integrate Facebook lead ads with HubSpot using Zapier in 2026. If this video helped, go ahead and like it and subscribe for more simple automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.